Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this gymnastics barrel. These little barrels are great for all sorts of different exercises or gymnastics, just to help with flexibility and training. Now this guy is going to be fantastic because we are going to get this thing blown up. My daughter is going to be using it, help with back bends and all sorts of things. It did come with a nice air pump, so we can easily air this up. You've got two handles on top here, so you can pick this up and move it around. So there's handles on the top and on the bottom. And this is a really thick material here. So if you did happen to get this wet, it would be perfectly fine. And it's meant for the weight on there. So right here is your little valve to be able to open it up. So we're gonna lefty-loosey open it. And then we will put our valve on here to be able to fill it up and tighten that down. And then we're just going to lock this into place and kick on the air. So now we got this aired up and I am putting this back in here. They do include a little tightening thing along with a manual on how to actually fill this and an extra patch. So if you did have a hole, they got you covered with this patch. We just put this little tool on here and we tighten it up. All right, now we are going to test this thing out. All right, so now when we're practicing our back bends, it's nice and easy to be able to do that. So we have this here. If you did want to do different exercises, whether it's taking it and moving it down and back up and just working on your core, you could do that. There are so many things that you can do with this awesome barrel just to be able to exercise and make things work, whether it's just doing different crunches and you having your legs up and stretching, or like I said, bouncing on it. This is an awesome barrel that can be used in any gym or playroom. It's good quality. I love the handles and how easy this thing is to assemble.